In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an anime janitor AI bot. To get started, head over to janitorai.com. Once the site loads, look for the option to create a new character and click on Create Character. This will open the character creation page where you'll build your anime bot from the ground up. First, upload an image for your character by clicking the drag and drop area or simply selecting an image from your device. Choose something that matches the anime style and personality you want your bot to have, since this will be the first thing people notice. Next, type in the title or name for your character. This should be the main name that identifies the bot. After that, enter the chat name. This is the name that will appear during conversations, so it should feel natural and fit the character well. Now, write the bio. This is where you give a short overview of who the character is. Keep it clear and descriptive so users immediately understand the bot's concept. Then, select the tags that best match your character. Tags help categorize the bot, so choose the ones that accurately describe its style, theme, or role. After that, write the personality section. This is one of the most important parts because it shapes how the bot responds. Be specific about the character's attitude, tone, habits, and overall behavior. Then move on to the scenario, where you set the context for how the character interacts with the user. This helps make conversations feel more immersive and consistent. Next, type in the initial message. This is the first message users will see when they start chatting, so make it welcoming and in character. Once everything looks good, click Create Character. And that's it. Your Anime Janitor AI bot is now created and ready to use. If you want the best results, take a little extra time reviewing each field before submitting, since the quality of your setup has a big impact on how the character performs.